Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Carcilan Agustin, 31 years old. My marital status is single, no children. My highest educational attainment is college graduate. I work as an household helper in the Philippines for 2 years, since July 2022 to July 2024. I serve one couple, two children, ages 10 and 4 years old, two elderly, ages 70 and 65 years old. My duties are I'll do household chores like cleaning, wash dishes, wash and iron the clothes, marketing, gardening, and taking care of the children. The most important thing of taking care of the baby are feed on time, check the diaper, change the clothes, and also keep the baby safe. The most important thing of taking care of the child are prepare the foods, prepare their clothes, and send to school and keep the child safe. My special skills are driving and gardening, and I can sing also a nursery rhyme like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, like a diamond in the sky. If you will hire me, I will do my best to do my duties. I am hardworking, trustworthy, dedicated, and willing to learn the task given. And also, I will follow the rules and regulations. I will promise I will finish my contract and I will work with you as long as you need me. I hope you will choose me as your helper. Thank you, Madam and Sir.